Let's talk about the Turing function. This function looks kind of like a maze or small worms. We have three different materials to control: the core material, the coating material, and the background material. Each of them can be a custom material that was saved from the digital material function. The threshold slider here is linear. We can choose the section that each of the materials will occupy. We can change the scale of this structure, making it bigger or smaller. We can also select noise modulation function and create gradient between the materials.